day in one word.
Fun.
Amazing.
Entertaining.
Excitement. Electric.
What are you gonna miss most about Sports Day?
The nervousness before a race. I'm gonna miss the good times sitting here with my friends and enjoying the good moments that the school has brought us together. The fun attitude everyone has.
The people messing around.
I'm gonna miss, competing and, enjoying it mostly, seeing everyone having fun.
Do you guys have any words as this is your last sports day?
I'm glad that I was able to push myself in CSS. I was able to try events that I probably wouldn't have outside. And I'm really happy about the team spirit that we have here. It really motivated me and pushed me to do my best.
I just think if you're not Form 6, just cherish every moment and don't give yourself any regrets because it's really sad leaving. But we're walking away with a lot of good memories. So same goes to you guys. Don't have any regrets and just make the most of your time because it goes by so quickly.